Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a banana avocado smoothie, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have bananas, avocado, some almond milk, ice, and some sugar. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is I'm going to take my avocado and I'm just going to cut it in half. Okay. We're going to open it like this. Doesn't matter if it comes out like that or not, because you're just gonna come with a spoon and you're gonna dig into it so you can remove it from the shell. Okay, and we're gonna put it there just like that. So I'm gonna do that to my other half of avocado as well. Now that my avocado is in my bowl, now I'm gonna come with my banana. You can just peel it, or you can just make it easy and just slice it like this. Okay, once you slice it, you can just break it and remove this. That's what I like to do. And then come and break it in half. So I'm gonna do that to my other banana as well. Now that the bananas are ready, we're gonna jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my ice to my blender. I'm gonna add my bananas and also the avocado. And this is really good and creamy. It's good for breakfast, for just when you're feeling a little hungry. Now I'm going to come and add my sugar. And also add my almond milk. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to cover and we're going to blend. I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Okay, so I'm gonna start off low. Okay, you know this is ready when you don't hear the ice anymore. Okay, so I just want to show you how it looks. Okay, look at that. You see that? Oh my goodness. So now I'm gonna serve this. Okay guys, so this is the best part. So now I'm gonna come and I'm gonna pour it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. If you guys try this, please let me know. And like always, give me that thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, thank you. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.